If I lost everything tomorrow and had to rebuild my income from scratch using only AI tools and a laptop, here's exactly what I would do. Not theory, not a framework I read about somewhere. The specific step-by-step path I would take to go from $0 to $10,000 a month using the tools that exist right now in 2026. And I am going to walk you through every single step. Welcome back to Venture Void, where we break down the exact tools and systems solo founders and small teams are using to build real income without a big budget or a big team. Today we are doing something different. Instead of covering a tool or a strategy in isolation, I'm going to walk you through my complete $0 to $10,000 roadmap using AI. The sequence, the tools, the timing, and the honest reality of what each phase actually looks like. Step 1 is picking one income stream and committing to it completely. This is where most people fail before they even start. They try to build a faceless YouTube channel and an AI agency and a digital product business all at the same time. They spread themselves across 3 income streams and make meaningful progress on none of them. If I was starting from zero today, I would pick one path and ignore everything else for the first 90 days. The path I would choose is AI-powered social media management for local businesses. Here is why. It requires zero startup capital. The tools are free at the entry level, the clients are everywhere. The sales cycle is short, and the work itself takes about 2 hours per client per month when you use AI properly. This is the fastest path from zero to your first $1,000, and your first $1,000 is the most important milestone in the whole journey. Step 2 is landing the first client in the first week, not the second week, not after you have built a portfolio. The first week. Here is the exact process. Make a list of 10 local businesses in your area with weak or inactive social media pages. Coffee shops, gyms, salons, restaurants, contractors, real estate agents. Walk in or send a direct message on Instagram. Say this exactly. I help local businesses grow their social media so they attract more customers without spending hours on content. Can I create 1 week of free sample posts for you to show you what I can do? Then use Claude to write the captions in 30 minutes and Canva to design the graphics in another 30 minutes. Most business owners will say yes to free. You deliver something that looks professional, you ask if they want to continue for $300 to $500 a month, you get your first client. Everything changes after the first client. Step 3 is systemizing the delivery so it takes as little time as possible. Once you have one client, you build the system before you get the second client. You create a content calendar template in Notion. You build a Canva brand kit for the client so every design takes 5 minutes instead of 30. You write a master prompt in Claude that generates 30 days of captions in one session. You set up Meta Business Suite to schedule everything in one batch. After this setup, each client takes about 90 minutes per month to service. At $300 to $500 per client, that is $200 per hour of effective work rate. This system is what makes the model scalable. Step 4 is scaling from 1 client to 10 clients in the first 90 days. With the system built, you can add clients quickly. Your second and third clients come from asking your first client for referrals. People who run local businesses know other people who run local businesses. One good referral can give you 2 or 3 new clients in a week. By day 90 with 10 clients at $400 average, you have $4,000 a month in recurring revenue. This is the point where the business becomes real. You have proof it works. You have systems. You have referral momentum. Step 5 is the transition from service business to passive income. At $4,000 a month, you have 2 options. You can keep scaling the agency to 20 or 30 clients and push toward $10,000 a month. Or you can use the agency income to fund a passive income layer. The passive income layer I would build is a faceless YouTube channel in the AI tools and business automation niche, exactly what Venture Void is. The agency funds the first 6 months of channel building, while the channel is not yet monetized. By month 12, the channel is generating ad revenue and affiliate commissions. By month 18, the channel is generating more than the agency. At that point, the agency becomes optional and you have built genuine passive income. Step 6 is the compounding phase where $10,000 a month becomes possible. Agency revenue at 10 clients, $4,000. YouTube ad revenue at 100,000 monthly views in a business niche, $2,000 to $4,000. 11 labs and other affiliate commissions, $500 to $2,000. Combined, you are at $7,000 to $10,000 a month from 2 income streams that reinforce each other. The YouTube channel drives people to your agency. The agency gives you real business experience that makes your YouTube content more credible. The honest timeline for someone starting today with 0 experience and 0 budget is this. Month 1, first client, first revenue. Months 2 through 3, 5 to 10 clients, $1,000 to $4,000 a month. Months 4 through 12, YouTube channel building, agency scaling, first monetization. Months 12 through 18, YouTube revenue kicking in, passive income growing. Month 18 to 24, $10,000 a month becomes achievable for people who execute it consistently. The reason most people do not get there is not the tools. The tools are available to everyone. It is not the money. This path requires almost none. It is not the talent. Claude writes better than most humans. It is the consistency. The people making $10,000 a month with AI built their systems during the months when nothing seemed to be happening. They kept going when the first few videos got 100 views. They kept servicing clients when growth felt slow. They trusted that the compounding was happening even when they could not see it yet. If you are watching this and you are still at zero, that is actually an advantage. You have not made the mistake of spreading yourself too thin yet. You can start with complete focus on one path and build momentum faster than someone who has to undo bad habits first. Subscribe to Venture Void for the exact weekly breakdowns of every tool and system in this roadmap. Drop in the comments where you are starting from, 0, first client, first 1,000, or already scaling, and I will tell you the specific next step for your exact situation. See you in the next one.